homeowners eventually reach a confusing moment with their heating or cooling system. The equipment still runs, the house still heats or cools, but repairs start showing up. Maybe a part fails one summer. Then something else needs attention the following season. Nothing seems catastrophic, but the system no longer feels as dependable as it once did. And that's when the question usually appears. Do you keep repairing the system, or is it time to replace it? Most heating and cooling systems don't simply fail all at once. Instead, they tend to follow a gradual pattern. During the early years of a system's life, reliability is very high. Repairs are uncommon. The equipment runs quietly in the background and homeowners rarely think about it. But as the years pass, something begins to change. Different components slowly begin wearing down. Motors, electrical parts, sensors, valves. Each repair might seem small by itself, but over time a pattern can start to emerge. The system may still be running, but its reliability is beginning to shift. One helpful way to picture this is as a reliability curve. Early in its life, the system runs very predictably. The middle years are usually stable and dependable. But as equipment ages, the likelihood of repairs slowly increases. The system can still operate, but predictability starts fading. Many homeowners assume the decision comes down to one simple question: how much does the repair cost? But that is rarely the real issue. The deeper question is usually about risk. How much uncertainty are you comfortable living with? Some homeowners are comfortable continuing repairs as long as the system keeps working. Others prefer the stability of a new system before major problems appear. Neither approach is automatically right or wrong. The best choice simply depends on the homeowner's comfort with uncertainty. A helpful way to think about the decision is to consider three factors. First is the age of the system. Older systems naturally carry a higher chance of additional repairs. Second is the repair pattern. A single repair is very different from repeated issues appearing over several seasons. And third is the homeowner's timeline. If you plan to stay in your home for many years, long-term predictability may become more valuable. If your plans are shorter, continuing repairs might still make sense. Looking at these factors together often creates a clearer picture than focusing on the repair bill alone. For many homeowners, the most stressful situations happen when a system fails suddenly. Air conditioning during a heat wave, heating during the coldest stretch of winter. When that happens, decisions must be made quickly. But when homeowners recognize the pattern earlier, the decision becomes calmer, more thoughtful, and far less pressured. Repairing an HVAC system is not always the wrong choice. Replacing it early is not always the right one either. The real goal is understanding where your system is in its life cycle and deciding how much predictability you want moving forward, because the best HVAC decisions usually happen before the equipment forces them. Stay comfortable and please stay tuned.